Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have the charging cable, a charged case, and the source device nearby. First, charge both earbuds and the case to roughly 50% to avoid mid-fix shutdowns. Next, power cycle the headphones by holding the power button for 10 seconds so internal state's clear. Once done, delete the JLab entry from your phone or laptop Bluetooth list to force a clean pairing, which removes stale profiles and mismatched codecs. You now focus on connection and software. Put the buds into pairing, press and hold until the LED flashes, indicating discovery mode. Then, open your device Bluetooth settings, find and select the exact JLab model. Make sure to never select a device labeled unknown or old MACs. After pairing, open the JLab app to check firmware. Updates fix many audio and connectivity bugs. If an update is available, install it while the earbuds remain charged and within a few feet of your device. You finish by validating functionality. Play music, test the mic on a call, and move through both left and right channels to confirm stereo balance. If audio dropout, latency, or one bud failure persists, perform a factory reset per the manual. This clears corrupted settings and often resolves intermittent faults. Make sure to try pairing with an alternate device to isolate whether the problem is the headphones or your source. If problems continue, note one key tip. Keep logs of behavior timing to report to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.